Class 9 children, today we will do again exercise 16b triangle, page 69. Question number 9. ABC is a triangle in which AB equal to AC equal to 4 centimeter and angle A should be 90 degree. Calculate the area of this triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Now, as the question is saying angle A should be 90 degree, so I made a right angle triangle because 90 degree means right angle triangle, and I wrote A here. When I write A here, B will be here and C will be here. When I write A here, B and C comes here, but I am bound to write A here because there is 90 degree here. So question is saying AB is equal to AC. So here you can see AB is here and AC is here, and both are 4 centimeter. Actually I can say it is isosceles triangle as well as right angled triangle, because when two sides are equal it is isosceles triangle, and when there is 90 degree it is right angled triangle. So it is both. It is right angled isosceles triangle. I can say like that. Now I can apply either isosceles triangles formula or right angle triangles formula. But right angle triangles formula is very easy. The area of triangle will be half into base into height. And half is half, base is 4 and height is 4. 4 into 4. That's why 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8. 8 centimeter square will be my answer. So area has come now. 11 number question. The side of a triangular field are 975 meter, 1050 meter and 1125 meter. You can see all three sides of triangle are unequal. That means it is scalene triangle. So to find the area of scalene triangle, we use Heron's formula, which I have discussed in my last video. If this field is sold at the rate of rupees 1000 per hectare, find its selling price. So the owner of this field, whose lengths are given, is being sold at the rate of 1000 rupees per hectare. But let me tell you children, our area will come in meter square. Then we will convert it into hectare, and from there we will try to know what will be the final selling price. So let us start children. So as you all know, we are going to use Heron's formula, that is this one, this formula S minus A. So this formula when we are going to use, so our first duty is to find semi perimeter. So semi perimeter equal to S, and the S will be perimeter by 2. A plus B plus C is perimeter and by 2. First side is 975, second side is 1050 and third side is 1125 divided by 2. If you add it, it will be 3150 by 2, and if you divide by 2, answer will be 1575 meter. Next we will use the formula. So area of the triangle will be S minus A, S minus B, S minus C root over. As just now we got S as 1575. So same 1575 bracket, again same S 1575 minus first side 975, S value second side, S value third side, and minus as in the formula. Now same thing I wrote here. After subtraction I wrote 600 here. After subtraction I wrote 525, and after subtraction I wrote 450. Now as you all know, we need to factorize all these numbers. So in the rough you do factorization of 1575. So when you factorize it, so you get 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. You factorize 600, you get as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5, and 525 you get as 3 into 5 into 5 into 7, and 450 you get as 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So all these factorization you need to do in the rough. Just you have to tick the number and then start with 2 3 4 2 3, do with the prime numbers 2 3 5 7. You take the help of 11, take the prime numbers and do it. And then in the root over case what happens, you count all the numbers. Let us start with the least number, that is 2. How many 2's are there? 1 2 3 4 2's are there. Out of 4 2's, 2 2's will come out and 2 2's will vanish with the root over. Similarly here how many 3's are there? 1 2 3 4 5, 6. Out of 6, 3 threes will come and 3 threes will vanish. Similarly, 5 also you count. There are 8 5s. So 4 5s will come out. There are 2 7s. 1 7 will come out. And then automatically root over also will vanish. And if you multiply all of them, our answer is 47,000. Sorry, it will be 4,72,500 meter square is our area. But you just now I had told you the question is the rate of the land is in the hectare. So what you do? You have to remember this relation. 10,000 meter square is 1 hectare. So now 1 meter square will be 1 by 10,000 hectare. This is a unitary method. Now 4,72,500 meter square will be same thing multiplied with 47,000 to 4,72,500. So when you cancel, your answer is here, and when you divide by 100, your answer is 47.25 hectare. That means this particular meter square has become this many hectares after using unitary formula with the help of a relation starting from here. So now price of 1 hectare per hectare means 1 hectare is 1,000 rupees. So I can say price of 1 hectare field is 1,000 rupees given in the question. Therefore price of 47.25 hectare will be multiplied with 1,000. Your answer will be 47250.00. This 00 has no value, so I can say 47,250 will be the selling price or the total value of the land. So moving on to the one more question here. Number 13. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 24 centimeter. Find its area. As you all know, children, equilateral triangle means all three sides are equal. So that means perimeter is 24 means when all three sides were added, a plus b plus c, all three sides were added, answer was 24. Or it is said all sides are equal, then we say a plus a plus a. So all three sides were added and answer was 24 centimeter. Find its area. So the demand is to find the area. So you see, very simple question. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 24 centimeter given in the question. So length of each side of an equilateral triangle will be divided by 3. That means it will be 8. That means 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 24 centimeter. Sorry, that 24 centimeter, and that means each side is 8 centimeter. By dividing with 3 we got 8 centimeter. Now we came to know the length of each side of an equilateral triangle. Therefore area can be now easily we can get area. Area of an equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into side is square. Root 3 by 4 into side is 8. 8 into 8. 4 to the 8. 8 to the 16. 16 into root 3. 16 root 3. And value of root 3 is 1.732. Please remember this, very important. And if you multiply this root 3 value here, answer is 27.712 centimeter square. So this is the answer of this question. Area value has come. So perimeter was given. From there we got area, and technique was dividing by 3. We got the side. One more question, children. The last question of the today's video. The perimeter of equilateral triangle is root 3 times its area. Find the length of each side. This time perimeter's relation is given with area. That means equilateral triangle's perimeter is root 3 times of area. So we don't know area, we don't know perimeter, but relation is given. And then from there you have to find the length of each side of the equilateral triangle. So let us start. Let the length of each side of an equilateral triangle be a unit. A unit. Unit means nothing is given. It is meter or centimeter, nothing given. So I wrote unit. It can be anything. It can be meter, centimeter, kilometer, whatever, but it is a unit. So length of each side is a unit. That means all three sides name is A because it is equilateral triangle. If one side is known, the other two sides also is same. So I named it as a unit. Now perimeter of triangle will be a plus a plus a. Why? Because all three sides are equal, and perimeter means adding the boundary. A plus a plus a is 3a unit. Now area of triangle will be root 3 by 4 into side square, but here side is a, so I can say a square, unit square, because in area like we write meter square, centimeter square, so unit square. Now relation between these two values is perimeter is root 3 times of area. So this perimeter is root 3 times of area. So here you can see, according to question, perimeter is root 3 times of area. This is area, this is perimeter, and root 3 times means multiplied by root 3. Like 3 times means we multiply by 3. 2 times means we multiply by 2. But root 3 times means multiply by root 3. So I am multiplying with root 3 this particular area, and this is perimeter. This relation is given in the question. Now 3a is same. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Same. 3 by 4 into a square. And this 4 is in the denominator. 4 3s are 12a. 3 into a, 3a square. Now interchanging. 3a square this side, 12a this side. This square of a and this a can cancel. So here we have 3a. Now this 3 will come and divide. A equal to 12 by 3. A is 4 unit. So children, learn from my video and do some questions as homework. Thank you children.